welcome to Signal. This is a premium membership platform for founders, entrepreneurs, and marketers. It's a place where we can provide actionable marketing strategies that you can implement right away and provide hands-on feedback and guidance to help you create more emotional connections with your customers and grow your business. In other words, it's a place for people who want to build strong brands. I'm Clay Ostrom. I'm the founder of Map and Fire. I have over 15 years of experience in brand and marketing. I've built multiple companies. I've had my work published in places like Adweek and Founder Magazine. I've had a chance to do guest lectures and mentorship at UCLA and USC. And in the past, I've gotten to work with some big brands like Google and Sony and Universal Pictures. And with Map and Fire, we've helped dozens of small and medium-sized businesses to craft their unique position and grow their brands. And while consulting is a big part of what we do, I really wanted to find a better way to help companies that aren't quite ready for a full consulting engagement. And this could be anyone from early stage, first-time startup founders to more experienced people who just value guidance and an outside perspective and want to up their game. And with Signal, you're going to have access to step-by-step course videos, strategy playbooks, our Slack channel where we can provide immediate feedback on things, and monthly video calls where we'll do more in-depth breakdowns of the brands that we're all building. I am super passionate about helping people to build valuable brands, and I can't wait to work with you through Signal to see what you're creating.